Diva by Cindy.
Pin me like you always do. They say we're all the same. That's the name of the game.
Hi, my name is Cindy Talia, and today what I want to do is introduce you to the Diva by Cindy hair care collection. These products are natural, alcohol-free, with extreme detangling ability to help stop hair shedding, hair breakage, and hair damage, and there's one other purpose, to help stimulate hair growth. Now, ladies, one of the things that we all face is detangling our hair. Our hair gets knotted and tangled after we shampoo and condition it, and we lose a lot of hair from styling, blow drying, etc. So ladies, I have Tangle Tina here to help us illustrate how the leave-in detangler works. You may have experienced this at home. Knots, tangles, dryness. To try and comb through this would cause you a lot of hair loss. So what you will do is take the bottle of leave-in detangler, spray on the knot, on wet or dry hair, and even with this fine-tooth comb. Tangles come out effortlessly. Easy. So ladies, dry, itchy, flaky scalp becomes an issue. And what do? You are going around slapping your head, digging in your scalp. No. You need a bottle of this stimulating shampoo. It has peppermint, menthol, and camphor. I call it a triple threat, but I want you to take a look at it. It's blue in color. Oh my goodness. It smells so refreshing. And 3 shampoos with this. Lather, rinse, lather, rinse, lather, rinse. And your scalp is going to feel renewed and refreshed. And it's going to help stimulate hair growth by promoting blood circulation. So the stimulating shampoo is your go-to product for dry, itchy, flaky scalp and thinning hair. Ladies, I want to present our stimulating deep conditioner to you. There are deep conditioners out there, but this is a stimulating deep conditioner with peppermint, menthol, and camphor. Now, after shampooing your hair, what you need to do is apply this to your hair, and then you can use a processing cap so that it stimulates that circulation. You can actually sit under a dryer at home, or you can walk around on a Sunday afternoon and just let it seep in while you're watching your favorite movie and deep condition your hair at home. Now I want to show you, oh my goodness, this smells so good, what it looks like. It's a light blue texture, but I wish you were here so you could feel this. The way it feels on the back of my hand is exactly how it feels on the scalp. It just stimulates it. It's so cooling and refreshing. And afterwards, when you rinse, your hair is going to feel so detangled. So try the stimulating deep conditioner to deep condition your hair. Ladies, dry hair is an issue. Your hair needs moisture, not a lot of heavy grease and pomade. It needs moisture. So the moisture shampoo has argan oil. It's also sulfate free, so it won't dry your hair out. And it also detangles. So this formula can be used on dry hair to moisturize and detangle, and it's also great for children's hair. But check this out. It smells of orange creamsicle, so yummy. You need to try this. And if you look at it, it has an orange color. It's also creamy, so it helps detangle and moisturize your hair. Great for all hair types, but especially for dry hair. So try the moisture shampoo. Your hair is gonna love it. Ladies, the Diva by Cindy Moisture Conditioner is not only a leave-in, but also a rinse out. So you can use it both ways. One of the things you can do is, after rinsing your hair, applying the conditioner, leaving in for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinsing to style your hair. Or if you want more of a curly look, or you want more of a nice finished shiny look, you can apply a little bit of this on your hair. And I want to show you what it looks like. After you apply it, it just massages in, and look, at the shine on the back of my hand. That's exactly what it's going to do to your hair. So you need to try the Diva by Cindy Moisture Conditioner. And it smells fresh and clean. You're going to love it. And so is your hair. Ladies, for thinning hair, traction and tension alopecia, you've wondered what to use. It's time to reclaim your edges. The Diva by Cindy Supergrow Hairdress is the right formula for you. Why? Because it helps stimulate circulation, opening the follicles so healthy hair can grow. And as an added bonus, it's very light and creamy, so it doesn't block the pores. You simply take a little bit of this and you part your hair, and wherever you have thinning, you just take it and massage it in. So just apply, massage in, and then put your cap on and go to sleep at night. You apply this or use this at nighttime, so while you are having optimal cell regeneration, which happens at night during rest, your hair will also be stimulated and grow. So you need to try the Supergrow Hairdress, and your hair's going to love it for thinning hair in the crown and around the edges. Thank you. Ladies, do you need something to smooth your edges? Then we've got perfect edges for you. This formula is not just great for smoothing the edges, but it's also great for twisting and for locking and braiding. So applying a little bit of this helps to braid the hair, and if you're going to use it to smooth your edges, you can either use your finger or a comb and just take the section that you want around the hairline, and here I am just smoothing it. Look how smooth and shiny this is. See? And it doesn't flake and it doesn't goop either. And it has a nice fresh smell. So the perfect edges is what you need to try when you're looking for something to smooth your edges, to lock your hair, to twist your hair, or braid your hair. You need to get this today. Ladies, many of you have asked me why I created the Diva by Cindy hair care brand. Well, today I want to give you that story and that journey so you can get a better understanding of why this is a labor of love and why I'm so passionate about healing and changing the world one diva at a time. So, at the age of 16, I was failing a chemistry class. Yes, I was at the bottom of my class, and my teacher invited me to a meeting where he taught me how to make nail polish and lipstick. He told me that he would teach me a practical application that will help me love his subject even more. So we made our nail polish and lipstick, and we had a science fair. During the science fair, many people passed by, and a man walked up and asked me what I had. He pointed and asked, "What is that?" I froze, and my teacher walked up and said, "This is Cynthia. She's a cosmetologist and a chemist." Oh my goodness. Wow. That was the moment that my passion was born in me. That is when I awakened and knew exactly what it is I wanted to do. I wanted to create beauty products for women. And I went home and I was so excited and shared this with my family. But for many of you, you understand what I'm about to tell you is that I was discouraged from going down that path. And so I held my dream tight until years later, after going to nursing school, after getting my bachelor's, after working as a nurse for 13 years, feeling so unfulfilled, I had to do one thing: change my focus and change my future. We cannot do the same thing and expect different results. So I left nursing and I opened a hair salon. I thought that was what I was purposed to do. But I experienced turnover in my business, and the turnover in my salon had me at a point where I didn't know which way to turn. And a friend asked me, "Why did you start this business?" And when I went home, I had to do some soul searching. I prayed, I asked God, why? And I heard clearly. It was because of beauty products. So what I did was, I did a 360 turn. I brought out my old formulas, I contacted a contract manufacturer and we began the journey to creating a hair care brand for you, which will help stop your hair from shedding, which will help stimulate the growth of your hair, and which would give you what you've always been looking for, longer, healthier hair. But there's one caveat to this. This wouldn't be complete without it having a purpose and a mission. We decided to also start sharing our proceeds with victims of domestic violence and homeless women by hosting Days of Beauty, Days of Healing for them. Why? Because we are here not just to fulfill our passion, but to also have a purpose. We're here not just about ourselves, but to make a difference. And that's what we decided to do with these products. So I am grateful that you would ask me, why did you start this journey? Because it allows me not only to share my journey, but to inspire you to start your own so you too can become the best version of yourself. Thank you for helping us change the world one diva at a time. And I'm grateful to you for purchasing our products. Thank you.
Things ain't really changing.
Diva.